already know that having a clean home is essential for the health and wellness of your family. But what you may not know is the cleaning products you are using can cause serious health problems. Each time you use a cleaner labeled caution, warning, or danger, you are being exposed to highly toxic residues. That's why we are proud to introduce Enviro-1 Green Cleaner. Enviro-1 is made using all natural plant-derived ingredients and contains no harmful chemicals. What makes Enviro-1 so powerful is the amazing colloidal micelle chemistry, allowing it to easily dissolve oil and dirt without the use of toxic chemicals. So you no longer need to buy individual cleaners. With over 250 documented uses, Enviro-1 does it all. Awarded champion by the Environmental Protection Agency, and laboratory testing shows it removes 99% of germs, Enviro-1 has made it safe to clean again. So what are you waiting for? Try Enviro-1 Green Cleaner today.